Welcome to Modern Hobby, your favorite hobby channel. Please subscribe to help me to make more 118 models video for you. This is a BMW X7 made by Kyosho. Out of the box, the biggest surprise is the sheer size, much larger than we assumed. The total length of the BMW X7 exceeds 11 inches. And for those that equate quality with overall weight, the X7 is pushing around 2 to 3 pounds for sure. Definitely a solid feel from a tactile perspective. Exterior paint on this examples is quite good. If we needed to choose one, the team would definitely lean towards the Phytonic blue. The various elements of chrome, and there is much, is as good as the exterior paintwork. The model itself has much to offer at first glance. Overall body lines are solid, but it doesn't offer the little things. Example, functional driver and passenger mirrors and sunroof, to name a few. The front of the X7 does measure up for the most part. Center and lower grilles are decent efforts, however, each area is executed with solid plastic parts. Headlight detail is decent too. Before we go inside, we like to note the 3D BMW emblem in the lower center of the hood. Also, note the dogleg style hinge work which supports the open/close feature. The engine and overall surrounding area are average in definition. A touch more texture and little paint, especially with the multiple upper tie bars, could have gone a long way. As mentioned, the rear is lacking, not in visual execution but the access. In short, the tailgate is sealed. Clearly a disappointment when you compare the stellar piece of the Lexus LX 570. On the flip side, the 3D style emblem is found again, along with solid work on the taillights and lower exhaust tips. Massive wheels feature a multi-spoke design that is found on this models. In behind the supporting rotors and caliper are found front and rear. The suspension itself is fully independent and spring-loaded at each corner. Turn the model over to see additional detail, though we have to admit the attention to finish detail is somewhat lacking. Note the unpainted rear differential. Initially, we thought this was QC miss. Access to the cabin is provided with all 4 doors. The two-tone interior is mirrored on both examples. There is full flocking throughout, and the front and rear sections are carefully defined with the smallest details and wood paneling too. This also transfers onto the doors and the far rear 2-person seating. What we believe is a miss is the lack of rear seats, and how Kyosho decided to paint in front seatbelt hardware. The Kyosho BMW X7 is a firm effort for the most part. The character of an SUV is definitely translated with ease. Collectors who still crave models manufactured with die-cast metal will inspire additional sales. If you are an SUV fan, the BMW X7 does require some consideration. Along with the colors mentioned here, we believe there are a couple of dealer edition colors too. In comparison with the Lexus LX 570, it does fall short when measured against the finer details. The wow factor is somewhat subdued. In conclusion, it is awesome to see the guys and gals at Kyosho making a sort of comeback in 2020 with new material and some favorites of old. Here's hoping this trend continues. Please subscribe to help me to make more 118 models video for you.